Hey everyone, I just wanted to show the making of the other part of my V6 adapter kit, and I thought I'd show a little bit about the assembly and how to put it together too, to explain it better. So as you can see, with the stock heatsink, it's somewhat larger than the V6 heatsink, which for that reason doesn't sit very well in the effector plate. That's why I created this adapter kit. So the adapter ring fits into the effector plate and centers the V6 heatsink perfectly. The part that we made in the previous video is to extend the V6 heat break, which as it is just slightly too short to pass through the effector plate properly. So the little part I made extends that heat break, and the way to assemble it properly is to stick it onto a piece of PTF tubing, pop that onto the heat break, and just screw it all together. So now what you can see is the heat break passes through the effector plate sufficiently to mount the heater block. So with that explained, let's get on with it. So last video I made, I showed the making of the little extender piece. This time I'm going to show you how the other piece is made, the little adapter ring. So I've cheated a little bit. I've already cut this piece of aluminium tubing to exact outside diameter so that it fits perfectly in that recess of the plate without any wiggle whatsoever. So now what we're going to do is we're going to cut the inside of that to fit the V6. Okay, so I've already got my little homemade DRO thing zeroed out at the correct size for the V6. So what we're going to do is we're just going to cut that little recess for it, and here we go. All I need to do is cut it down until I hit 0 on my little DRO. And there we go. Now we'll just double check with the V6 heat break. And it fits in there perfectly. So the only thing left to do now is to cut it off. So to do that, swap to a cut-off tool. Because the thickness of this little adapter is not critical, I'm just winging it and going by eye. Because aluminium is so soft, you don't really need any cutting fluid or anything on this. It cuts very easily and it doesn't heat up. So if you watch the inside of that little tube, as I get close, you'll see a little bubble form. It should be coming up any second. There we go. You look on the inside of the tube, just inside where I'm cutting, you'll see a little bubble form that tells me that I'm almost completely through. So we'll just get ready to catch it so I don't have to chase it around the room. And keep feeding just a little. See, the bubble became more obvious. And there we go. Nice clean square cut. All we need to do is remove that burr. And just take off that sharp little edge. And there we go. That's exactly what we were aiming at. Cool guys, thanks for watching.